Now, we are given a number in standard form and we are said to add those two numbers and produce our answer in standard form. So here is also our general rule that we need to take note of. So my rules, I put them in boxes here. You need to know that any number to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So for example, 10 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. 10 to the power of 1 is equals to 10. 10 to the power of 2 is equals to 100. Do you see the trick here? The trick is just writing 1 and say how many zeros are they? Is it to the power of? It's just to the power of. What is n? So n here is 0. So you don't put any number after 1. How many? What is n here? N is 1. So how many zeros are we going to add after we write 1? It's 1. So it becomes 10. Here is 10 to the power of 2. What is n? Our n is equals to 2. So how many zeros are we going to write after we put a 1? These are just 2 zeros. So it means for 10 to the power of 3, we write 1 and n is equals to 3, meaning we are going to add 3 zeros. 10 to the power of 4 is equals to 1. Then we add how many zeros? 4. To make it 10,000. So that is our trick. So when adding our numbers in standard form, remember we can first put in ordinary form, meaning to say we multiply this 3.4 times 10 to the power of 3, meaning we multiply 3.4 times 1,000 to make it an answer of, right, I'll first use method 1, where we say 3.4 times 1,000, because 10 to the power of 3 is 1,000. So we write 0, 0, 0. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 3, 3. It's after how many decimal places? It's just 1 decimal. So we write 1 here. 1 decimal. So our answer is 3,400 for this one. Then we say plus 6.2 times 10 to the power of 3. We say 6.2 times 1,000. Why 1,000? Because 10 to the power of 3 is equals to 1,000. Then we say 0, 0, 0. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 6, 6. How many decimal places? Just 1. We put our decimal place maintaining this position. So it's 6,200. Now we add in this form. So we say 3,400 plus 6,200. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 6, 9. So now that's 9,600. Now we convert back to standard form, which is equals to, I said in my first lesson, we put an imaginary comma here and a 0, 0. So we move our comma towards the what? Towards the left. So we say 1, 2, 3. We want it to be between 1 and 10. So it is now equal to 9.6 times 10 to the power. How many times have we moved our comma? 3 times. And our rule says if we move the comma towards the left, our n is positive. Therefore, our answer is 9.6 times 10 to the power of 3.